and welcome to another video in Travel Small, Live Big's Campground Favorites series, and welcome to Meadow Lake Campground on Ennis Lake, McAllister, Montana. And it is gorgeous here. Hi, I'm Heather, this is Jim, and this is our rescue pup, Sierra. Quite the handful. After many years of living on one of these, we now live in this, our Imagine XLS 17 MKE, and that is a lot of words and letters for a less than 22-foot trailer. We are Travel Small, Live Big. Join us as we get on the road and explore the United States. And if this is your first or 10th time visiting our channel, please consider subscribing for more videos in this series. This campground is operated by the Department of Fish and Game. It is free. There are 9 sites, I believe, here, and they're definitely distinctive setup sites. Back-in area rocks, picnic table, fire ring. It's not dispersed camping. It's just gorgeous, though. The lake does have what's called swimmer's itch, some little critter that gets under your skin and makes you itch. They tell you to wipe off immediately with towels to get that off of you if you do go in the lake. So the dog and I are staying out this time. It is all dry camping, no electricity, no water. It is all pack in, pack out. There's no garbage service, and there is one vault toilet here. And the pros, it's gorgeous, it's green, there is a lake here, although you shouldn't swim in it necessarily because of that swimmer's itch. There's cell service, which is wonderful. Not far from the town of Ennis, which has a really nice grocery store, great beer and wine selection. And it's relatively quiet at night. It was very quiet here. Cons, there are a few bugs. I noticed a lot of ants on the ground and a couple mosquitoes, but they're mayflies, is that what they're called? Mayflies that keep landing on me and the dog. She doesn't like that. Guess the only other con is no water, and can't go in the water. Well, you can. I'm not going in. And no trash service. That's it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave us a comment so we know that you were here. And as always, thanks for watching.